The world of forex trading is also challenging and competitive that it seems so rare to be successful without the help of any brokers. That's why there are significant demands for professional forex brokers. When there are a demands, there is an explosion of several supplies. In this regard, you can see why there are many forex broker companies or platforms. One of the most popular broker is Expert Option, which with its billion future has gained a considerable uh, okay, so everything you need to know before trading with expert option you can find in our detailed expert option review. Okay, so now uh, okay, here is the details here. Okay, we will see it. It's really good. So now register expert option or get yes. Okay, however, it is not suggested to all traders to choose when even the broker of expert option without any research. In this regard, here any information you may desire to know has been gathered in the article. This information starts from the complete introduction of expert option to the account type and also affected countries. Okay, so after reading this article, you are at least more familiar with this broker of forex. For expanding your knowledge about expert option, you can research about the other brokers and by a simple comparison. Understand that whether expert option is your type or not. Okay, so here is the question. What is expert option like something? Okay, so now we will discuss what is expert option. Okay, expert option is an online broker with one of the fastest detailed tools which allow its client to achieve their goals effectively. Okay, so expert option just fastest tool which allow its client to achieve their goal effectively. Expert option was founded in 2014, which has been known for being a loyal and reliable broker or forex for from that time. Since 2014, this broker has been providing big time service for forex trading, and currently it supports almost 30 million deals each month. Wow, it's nice, yeah. To deliver a full-fledged, transparent online trading experience is the goal of expert option. Therefore, to bring this goal to reality, they have enriched several platforms with great tools, and there are also some teaching supplement in this forex broker that teach this trader how to use uh, the utilities of the broker and its platform more effectively. What makes this broker so professional in this extents of many highly qualified managers who analyze client actions? This is because of understanding this expert needs to the client and